Hi ladies. Boy, I don't know about you, but I'm getting tired. Thanks for hanging in here with me. I told you I would show you the designer series paper for the greenery suite, so let's go ahead and do that. Let me tip the tabletop down, so hang on just a sec. Alrighty. This is one of them, and we use this, of course, on that one card. And the back side has that, whatever, I don't know if it's eucalyptus or what it is supposed to be, but it's pretty. And this one I really like a lot. It's the same configuration as one of the stamps, and actually I was hoping that the die was going to cut these out, but it doesn't. That's okay. We can cut by ourselves. The other side, I don't know if this is going to show up. Anyway, it's just a leafy pattern. Some pretty colors. It looks like garden green and maybe, I don't know, maybe seafoam. Yeah, that's what it is. This one is the same design as one of the embossing folders, the one that comes as part of the greenery suite. We used one of the embossing folders on a club card, and we're going to use one here. We did use one on that last card we did. I don't know if it was the last one, I'm not sure. The one with the vellum anyway. That embossing folder and one in this pattern are both in the same set. The two of them come together. And then this, I think, is really pretty. I'm not sure what this leaf is supposed to be, but it looks like a succulent to me. Succulent and fern, and yeah, it's pretty stuff. This one is the new jade green, and it too has probably what looks like seafoam with it. The other side, is the jade. That's pretty. This is a replication of that small little leaf that we just got through using a couple of times. This is craziness. I don't know what color that is. Holy smoke. I don't know. It's not Granny Apple. We don't have a lime anymore, do we? Huh. I'm confused. Not the first time I've been confused, though, is it? That's really weird. I'm looking up there and I don't see anything that's current that's this color. But anyway, it must be. And then these pretty ferns. And the stripe again. And this, I don't know if you can see it. It looks like, it reminds me of grass cloth. Oh, and this is pretty. This is pretty. So there you have it as far as the designer papers for the greenery set. Our next card is going to be really, really hard, and I know you're going to be terribly upset with me when you see this, but I don't know if you can handle it by yourselves, but we'll see. If you can't, just let me know, okay? All right. You have, get your kit out, you've got a base in the new cinnamon color, a layer in espresso, you've got a stamped layer that has a ribbon around it. You're going to layer the three of those together, just like that. Simple simpleton. And then you have a little short piece of ribbon. You're going to tie the knot. But you know what? I think this is too short for me to do that. Ooh, well, maybe I got it. I'll probably tear the ribbon up doing it, but oh God. No, I don't. It's going to take tweezers for me to tie that knot. See if I can do it. Make a fool out of myself. Okay. Come around this way. Hold that. Push you through. Talk myself through this. I don't think I can get it, girls. It's stuck. There it is. Oh, got it. Got it. Wow, that was scary. I really didn't think I could Okay, so let's glue this guy together. Art layer on the espresso. And there you go. You have a beautiful, clean, and simple card that I know you will just love. By the way, this birthday greeting came from one of the hostess sets last year. You think I could remember the name of it? No. But it doesn't matter because we can't get it. But anyway, I thought it's a really nice little greeting. Sometimes you want just a really small one, and there it is, by golly. I got looking around, and much to my surprise, I had something like that. I was so happy. So there you are. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to tip the camera back down, so hang on while you go for a ride. Okay. There. All right, just wanted to say thank you, all of you, for hanging in there with me. I will see you in a week and a half for club, but you know, I know this is difficult doing cards this way, where you don't get your hands on and get to, you know, do your own embossing and cutting and putting things together. The stamping, it's, you know, it's got to be kind of boring once in a while, but at least we get to be together in some form. So I just wanted to say thank you again, and I love you all, and I will see you in a week and a half with club cards that I have in mind, and I think you're going to like those too. Love ya. Bye-bye.